This video tutorial I will explain how to install JDK 22 on Windows 11 operating system. Step 1 is download JDK 22. For that, visit the Oracle website and use this particular link. Then you can download Windows 64 installer for JDK 22. Usually the file name ends with .exe. Copy this path. Here you can see Windows 64 installer for JDK 22. Click on this link to download the exe file. JDK 22 installer is successfully downloaded. Step 2 is install JDK 22. For that, you have to run the installer. Double click the JDK 22 installer to run the installer. The installation wizard will open. Click on next to begin. By default, JDK will be installed in C programming files Java JDK 22. You can change this location if you wish, but it is fine to leave it as is. Click on next. The installer will copy files and set up everything for you. Once complete, click on close to finish the installation. Double click JDK 22 installer file. Installation wizard has been opened. Click on next. By default, JDK 22 will be installed in this location. If you want to change the location, you can change it here. I am going to leave as it is. Click on next. It is installing. JDK 22 installation is successful. Click on close. Click on C drive, programming files, Java, and here you can see JDK 22 is successfully installed. Step 3 is set up environment variables. For that, open environment variable settings, then add JDK path to system variables. Under system variable section, you have to find path variable and variable value. You have to give the path up to JDK 22 bin folder. Right click start button, click on system, click on advanced system settings, click on environment variables. Under system variables, here you can see the path. Click on that, click on edit. Then copy the path till bin folder of JDK 22. Click on new, paste the path, click on OK, OK, OK. Next we have to create Java underscore home variable under system variables section. The variable value we have to give JDK folder path without bin folder. Click on advanced system settings, click on environment variables, click on new button, Java underscore home, variable value till JDK 22 folder. Copy this path, paste it here, click on OK. Next, verify the installation. For that, open command prompt, then check the Java version using the command java-version. When you run this command, you will see this output. Open the command prompt, run the command java-version, and here you can see Java version 22 is successfully installed. So you are seeing this output. To check JDK compiler is working, run the command javac-version. You will see this output. Run the command javac-version. and we got this output. Now the conclusion is you have successfully installed JDK 22 on Windows 11 operating system. Now you are ready to start developing Java applications. Next you have to configure development environment like IntelliJ IDEA, Eclipse or Visual Studio Code to use JDK 22. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.